Bitget Wallet and Phantom Wallet serve different crypto needs. Bitget Wallet is designed for multi-chain trading and asset management, while Phantom Wallet specializes in the Solana blockchain. The core difference lies in their supported networks and user focus. Bitget Wallet is a multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet integrated with the Bitget ecosystem, enabling users to manage digital assets and execute trades directly. It supports a wide range of blockchains, offering flexibility for users who trade across multiple networks. The wallet features a user-friendly interface with built-in security measures like private key encryption and biometric authentication. Bitget Wallet also provides seamless access to decentralized finance, DeFi applications, and NFT marketplaces, making it a versatile tool for active traders and collectors. However, its broader focus means it may lack some specialized features for specific blockchains. Ideal users are those who want a secure, all-in-one wallet that combines trading and asset management across various cryptocurrencies without switching platforms. Phantom Wallet is a non-custodial crypto wallet specifically built for the Solana blockchain. It offers a smooth, intuitive experience for managing SOL tokens and Solana-based assets like NFTs and DeFi tokens. Phantom Wallet integrates directly with Solana dApps, allowing users to interact seamlessly with decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and NFT marketplaces within the Solana ecosystem. Security is a priority with private keys stored locally and robust encryption protocols. While it excels in Solana compatibility, it does not support other blockchains, which limits users who want multi-chain access. Phantom is best suited for users deeply invested in Solana who need a lightweight, fast, and secure wallet tailored to that network's unique features. Bitget Wallet offers multi-chain support and integrated trading, making it ideal for users who manage diverse crypto portfolios and want quick access to trading without leaving the wallet. Its strength lies in versatility and convenience, but it may not provide the deep, specialized features found in wallets dedicated to a single blockchain. Phantom Wallet, on the other hand, is laser-focused on the Solana ecosystem, delivering superior performance, direct dApp integration, and optimized NFT handling. This specialization comes at the cost of limited blockchain support. For traders needing multi-chain flexibility, Bitget Wallet is the practical choice. For Solana enthusiasts prioritizing speed and ecosystem compatibility, Phantom Wallet stands out. Choose Bitget Wallet if you require multi-chain access and integrated trading features within a single secure platform for managing various digital assets. Opt for Phantom Wallet if your focus is on Solana-based assets and dApps, benefiting from a streamlined, secure experience tailored to that blockchain. Both wallets excel in their domains, so match your choice to your crypto strategy for optimal results.